If we don't have coordinate points to plug into an equation to see if those points are in that line or on that line, we sometimes use a table and we create points for one of the variables and then plug it in to solve for that other variable. So in this equation, y equals 3x minus 1, I have two variables, x and y. In this table, I've created or decided that I'm going to use these three numbers, and by having these three numbers or x values, I'm going to plug these values into this equation here and determine what the value of y is for each of those x values. By doing that, I'm creating three coordinate points that have an x value and a y value that I'll then be able to graph on my coordinate graph. So let's go ahead and try working this out. So I am solving for y. So I'm just going to plug in y equals 3 times negative 1 minus 1. And 3 times negative 1 is going to give me a negative 3 minus 1 will give me a negative 4. So when x is negative 1, y is negative 4. For the next one, x is going to be 0, and so that's going to be y equals 3 times 0 minus 1, which is going to give me 0 minus 1, or negative 1. When x is 1, I'm going to have y equals 3 times 1 minus 1, which will be 3 minus 1, or 2. So after I've completed working through to see what those x values give me in terms of y, I now have three coordinate points. This first one is going to be negative 1, negative 4. The second one is going to be 0, negative 1. And the third one will be 1, 2. Now let's go ahead and graph these points to represent this line. So for the first point, I have negative 1, negative 4. So negative 1, go down 4, and that's going to be negative 1, negative 4. The second point is 0, negative 1. So here's 0, and I'm going to go down 1. So I plotted 0, negative 1. The third one is 1, 2. So I find 1 and go up 2 and plot that point. Now I'm going to take my straight edge or my ruler and connect those 3 points and draw my line. On the ends, I'm going to draw little arrows. And lastly, I'm going to draw or write my equation. Y equals 3x minus 1.